Wagwan, my lovely taquitos, welcome back to my channel. I want to thank you for your support thus far, and if you're just joining me, hello there. What are you waiting for? Go ahead, hit that subscribe button if free, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, don't be shy, and most importantly, share with all of your wonderful friends and your good up friends them, because God love when you share.
Oi, Siri, please play Where Have You Been by somebody. Oh, there must have a song name. So, Wagwan, guys. Yes, so don't kill me. I know it's been a while, it's been a long time coming, and I do appreciate all of you sticking around. And I see some new lovely faces. Welcome to my channel. I appreciate you stopping by and staying and sticking around. I know I have been missing from the scene, but just to let you know, I would like to say back, but I'm just gonna say I'm slowly getting back here. All right, guys, I do have a wonderful recipe for you guys today, and this will be a steamed lobster and crackers. Yes, just like how you would have your steamed fish and crackers, this is some good steamed lobster and crackers. So get all your ingredients that you normally use in your steamed fish, nothing fancy, the basic, but as usual I'll list what I used in the description box below. So yeah, without further ado, again, let's get right into it. Alright, guys, so here I have a little bit of fish seasoning, some black pepper, and some pimento. We call it pimento, many of you may know it as allspice. I added that to a pound of lobster meat, and then I incorporated the seasoning into the meat and set it aside on the fridge for a few minutes. Then I'm going to go in with a little bit of olive oil drizzled to a pot, and then I add a little bit of margarine to that. Then after I get the oil and the butter melted, I'm going to go in and add my lobster meat and give it a light sear on both sides. I'm not going to fully cook the meat through because we're going to add it back to the pot further down, or to the sauce. The sauce! Yes, guys, and let me tell you, inside of the kitchen smells so nice. The dogs are about to do a skin up them nose, and the neighbor them a pass and be like, oh wow wow. But yeah, guys, that's how good it smells, and trust me, it tastes even better. So now, guys, I will be removing the lobster meat from the pan, and I'm going with a little bit more olive oil just to have enough to saute the veggies that I'm adding to the pot. I have a combination of okra, carrots, pumpkin, scallion, onion, a little bit of a very small tomato de-seeded, with I don't want the seed in it, and I added Scotch bonnet because you know we can't leave out Mr. Scotch. And then I added some garlic and a little piece of thyme to the mix, and now I'm just sauteing this. Bear in mind the veggies will still have a little crunch to it. However, you can go ahead and add more okra. I did not use a lot because I do not want to overpower it with a lot of slime. It's just my preference, but you can add more. Then I'm adding some coconut milk and go in with some water to stretch it down. And then to this, I am going to add good old cock soup, because you can't make steamed fish without cock soup, like never. So I'm going to add my cock soup to this, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to sieve the seasoning from the cock soup because I do not want to have the noodles in it. You can go ahead, it's a matter of preference, but I've always just used it for the spices, the seasoning. So yes, this is what it's looking like, and let me show you something. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Yo, metal and said this, it sell off, it nice, bad. I wish you could have taste it, but another time. I'll eat it for you guys. So yes, I'm now adding back the lobster meat to the pot, and I'm just going to let that simmer about a minute because you know we already sauteed it. And then I'm adding some crackers. You know, you need the tough crackers, but for me, I prefer my crackers a little bit on the not so much al dente side. I like it on the soft side, so you can time it and do it based off your preference. So yeah guys, at this point it's just all about preference. As a matter of fact, please list in the comment section down below how you like your crackers when you make steamed fish or whatever. You like it soft, mushy, al dente, or tough like it name, tough crackers. List it in the comment section below. And yeah, that's just about it. Let me show you the finished dish. Yeah. Tell me say you don't want some of this. Tell me say you do not want some of this. This is absolutely amazing, guys. I'm not gonna tell no lie. The food nice, the food nice, the food make me clean the plate with my tongue. I'm not lie. That's how good it be. I'm gonna use some of my finger them to it because it was finger licking good, guys. But yeah, thanks for sticking around, guys, and I do appreciate it. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Leave a comment. Don't be shy. Share with all of your wonderful friends them, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye bye. Look there, look when juice, look when sauce, sauce, ice. See you in the next one, guys.